Hello and welcome to another random review. Today I will randomly be reviewing this broken refrigerator. Let's see, there we go. This broken refrigerator is a GE broken refrigerator model. I really like the feature of the 80-degree temperature in the fridge and the steadily increasing temperature in the freezer. It is currently at 8. It also possesses a GE Smart Water Filter Plus, which is currently working, but that is one of the few things that are working. I am quite impressed that the freezer stays as cold as it does, despite the fact that the refrigerator is 70 degrees warmer than the freezer. If I got in my refrigerator, which I will attempt to do, it would actually be warmer than my house by a good 13 degrees Fahrenheit. For you guys in Celsius, different temperatures. It claims to have a working ice machine, but very rarely does it ever actually work. And there's some fiddly bits back here, like these cords and this thing, which is supposed to be intaking air. Kind of. While we are reviewing GE broken refrigerator model, I'd like to point out some custom features. 3 pounds of edamame makes a great chiller of vegetables. We've got a tomato and looks like some spinach down there. Also, we have a little bit of what was left of the ice is now chilling some cheese that somehow managed to survive the great melting of dairy 2014. I had to throw out most of the milk. Ugh. We also have a Sherry's Berries box, which doubles as a storable of other perishable foods. It came with an ice pack down here, which specifically says that it keeps perishable foods cold. And so, thank you, Sherry's Berries, for keeping our other foods cold. I do want to point out one of the tragedies of Dairy Melt 2014, or whatever I called it earlier in this video. Butter. Butter never fares well at all. Especially butter in like a container such as this, where it's paper. It just leaks everywhere. And by everywhere, I literally mean like everywhere. It's super gross. That is butter. So thanks for watching this really weird edition of Random Review, where I randomly review our broken refrigerator. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back for another random review at some random point in the future.